So today is third day namin dito sa Luxor Park. So punta kami ng city. Ganda ng ano nila ng parking, may ano, ang tawag nito, parang lock siya doon. Ang ganda.
For us or what?
Yeah, can be.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's half of the bridge there. Nice. Oh, they have their attraction down. And there's also one bridge there. But I don't know what. Oh, it's just a normal bridge. Ganda. Yeah. Or maybe there.
You're already here, alright.
Okay. So maybe this. You cannot go in or somewhere?
You can go if you want.
No, I mean inside, under, or what? Oh, then we can only take pictures and finish?
Yeah, you
Wow.
can only go like that. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, because this is the picture, this part, this whole part like that.
Huh?
Let's go there. Guys, ang ganda kasi sa gilid lang siya ng kalsada. May isa pa kasi dapat kaya lang temporary close kaya hindi kami makakapasok. So labas lang talaga yung matitignan namin.
Oh yeah, you can walk down there, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, we're not going there. This is enough. Punta kami dyan. Tapos sa taas dyan, pwede ka mag-pictures. $1995 when I was born.
Want some alcohol?
Huh?
Want some alcohol?
No, yeah. Someone pee here on the stairs. Wow. It's so beautiful, guys. Ganda.
Ooh. I really don't like.
Just the red one you need to click. Tapos guys, punta kami doon. Basta. Oh my God.
Here, this one.
Hey, it's not the same.
Here.
Guys, tignan nyo. Ang daming mga tourists, mga Chinese sila. Ayun. At saka isang bus sila.
What is this?
Ayan yung bridge. Ganda. Doon kami galing kanina.
Slime balls.
Luxembourg, ang ganda. Buti na lang ang tiyaga talaga ng jowa ko, samahan ako sa mga ganito. Kasi hindi talaga siya mahilig. As in, ayaw niya. Pati pag picture-picture, ayaw niya nga eh. Ayan guys, so andito kami sa may bridge na red. Yung kita kanina dun sa kabila.
Nice. Apple.
Uy, ang taas. Ayan guys, yung itsura. O, andito kami na banda. Tapos pwede kaming mag-elevator pababa. Glass elevator. Ayan, ayan guys yung bridge. Oh, doing something. Guys, doon kami galing, oh.
Give me
Doon
your phone
kami
and I can make
galing.
a picture from dog.
Yung iba sumasakay sila sa elevator. Pababa. Pero kami hindi na kami sasakay kasi nakita naman na namin yung baba niya.
There's a secret.
Mhm.
Also much people.
Kahanap kami guys ng makakainan. Gutom na kami, hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. Oh my God! Ang mahal ng relo nila, 40,000 euro. Ay, so 40,000 euro. Oh my God. Echt niet? Echt niet. Wait. So, ayun. Tapos na kaming kumain. And babalik na kami sa car. Kasi, yung pupuntahan namin is medyo another city din siya. So, dito na kami sa sa shopping center. Oh, maghanap kami ng ng sigarilyo para sa para sa colleague niya. Kasi mas mura daw dito.
I don't know if
Clock.
it's only the fitness.
What's the name of the shop? Maybe I can see it, and I can tell you. Mga shopping center, may mga Dreamcatcher. You want in your car? For your car. Gusto ko to para sa car. Nagpakuha kasi ng cigarette yung niya, ka-work niya.
Hello. You have this one? The biggest one, the biggest. Yeah. That's what he wants. So.
That's much?
Yeah.
Grabe ang laki. Did he say that? Wait. Oh my God, ang laki, oh. Nabili niya ang laki. Grabe, ang daming laman nito. May freebie pa na na lighter.
Oh my God.
Grabe, ang dami naman yan, oy.
Put, just put them there, I think. Oh, this is also kept closed. That's also okay.
I don't know why
Oh,
it's
this-
closed.